the condition of my teeth have made it very hard for me to communicate with others effectively. I tend to mumble a lot. I try not to open my mouth where possible. I've always been very self-conscious about my mouth. That's not something I enjoy showing anybody at all. Pop-on veneers have changed that for me. The simple idea of being able to put a set of veneers in very quickly. Pop changes everything for me. My confidence has skyrocketed. I'm constantly walking around with a smile. I'm enjoying life again. So thank you, Pop-on Veneers. You've actually changed my life.